And I just want to say, if you would agree with me, honorable members, knowing the suffering that our people are undergoing today, knowing the kind of economy that we have come into office under, it is a challenge to us that this parliament must and should be remembered as that assembly that restored the economic dignity of our people and restored hope in their country. And I want to end by challenging you, honorable members, that we must be able to take our rightful position as members of parliament to represent our people, to oversight government, but as I said, not to ever allow grandstanding and firm political party positions to get on the way of what is right for the people of Kenya. Let us always stand for what is right, what will improve the lot of our people, and I believe we have that capacity even to review and look at all the issues that the leader of minority has spoken to, including what you have already done with the enactment of the IBC Amendment Bill that has already been signed into law, that was enacted by this Assembly as an amendment bill of a law that was also passed in the 12th Assembly. With those very many remarks, Your Excellency, thank you again for attending this seminar, and we look forward to working with your government, to oversighting your government, to ensure that indeed even your government serves the interest of the people, and the people are the core of all our engagements with your government. Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker and honorable members, for that opportunity.